What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Today we just got a quick update video. Gonna update you guys on some stuff, and then the next video, we'll be doing some stuff. But we got the S&B intake install coming up. We have the tuning install coming up. We are gonna do some tuning, and I'm still trying to figure out exactly what I'm gonna do as far as the exhaust and all that's concerned. I do need my truck, so try to figure out how I can work around that. But anyway. So, garage update first. Moving box mounting is gone. Don't worry about that box, or that box. But moving box mounting is gone. So we got some chairs and some Rhino ramps. Much better than moving box mounting. Also, this mess is gone. Well, the box mess, this mess is still here. But the box mess is gone. I lay on that box, don't look at that box. This box, on the other hand, has some crap batteries in it out of the 06, and that's part of what I want to tell you guys about. So tomorrow we are going to go to Ryan at Auto RX. He is going to swap those batteries out for some new batteries for the 06. So we will have a 06 walk around startup video coming. I have a recall on the 06 for the airbag. I don't know if you guys are aware, on the 06, I think it's 06 and 07 trucks. I haven't got anything for my 07, but I bought that truck from a Dodge dealer, so they may have done something with it already. But on the 06 truck, I've got emails and phone calls and news, like letters in the mail, and just so much crap from Chrysler about the recall for the airbag. So I gotta get that done. They're driving me crazy over it. So I gotta get that done. And it's a recall, it's a serious thing, it's airbag. So, it's something about metal shards flying at you. Sounds like a good time, I know. So I need to get that taken care of. So I gotta get, so that's on the to-do list. And then we actually did get our S&B intake in. So I'm gonna show you guys. So this is what we got, our S&B intake for the 07. This kit is for the 03 to 07. I know I couldn't wait, I had to open it, sorry. I apologize. But this is the top plate that is, well, packaged so you can't really see it, but I'll show you guys when I install it. It's our sweet little S&B filters decal right there, super cool. Let's see, this is the actual air box. Big boy there. Oh yeah, it's a big boy there. Got the S&B on the side. Very sweet. So, and it's got some kind of, I don't know, some kind of something like maybe like a plastic conditioner or something on it. It's kind of greasy, and I don't know, kind of being a girl right now, but yeah, I don't like it. I don't like it. It gets on my fingers. It's like, it smells bad. It's real pungent. I don't know what they put on those things. I don't know, maybe it's to condition the plastic so they don't crack in shipping or something. I don't know, but whew, it stinks and it's rough. But anyway, moving on. I decided to go with the disposable filter. Just touch on that real quick. I've had oiled filters in the past. I don't care for them. I don't like the whole oiling process. I don't like how long it takes the filter to dry. I don't like having to wait on it. I know, impatient. Is what it is. Those filters are like 35 or 40 bucks. They last, I think, 25 or 30,000 miles is the service interval on those filters. So for me, that's like 2 years worth of driving, $30 or $40 filter, whatever they cost. So you can miss me with that oiled crap. Not doing it. I know I'll probably catch some hate for that, but it is what it is. I don't like the oil thing. I like to be able to just take the old filter off, throw it in the garbage can, put the new filter on, go about my day. It takes all of like 5 minutes. Not worth it to me to have to clean or deal with any of that crap. It's just not. My time's a little more important than that. It takes a little bit more time than I'd like it to, so nah, I skip that part altogether, go with the dry filter. Anyway, yeah, that's just me. Personal preference. If you like the oil filter, absolutely nothing wrong with it. I just don't. Now, for the fun stuff, or more fun stuff. So, we got some tuning. I have mentioned several times that we have some tuning, and I've never said what it is. So if you guys had any guesses on what it might be honest, okay? But you probably didn't expect it to be this. I'm just gonna go ahead and assume that you weren't expecting that. Now, you might have been expecting the format. You might have been expecting, because that is EFI Live by Firepunk. You probably were expecting EFI Live, but you probably weren't expecting the Firepunk. Now, real quick on that, I know I'm kind of like fast-paced through this video, but as you guys know, I ramble on for hours, it seems like. So I'm trying to keep this video kind of short, just stick to the point here. So back to the point. So yeah, this is what we got. Our sweet little auto cal. Got the Firepunk number on it right there. Shout out to these guys. You guys are awesome. My little 5-position switch, SoCal diesel. So we are good to go. There's some more stuff that came with it. I've been pilfering through everything. I got the OBD2 port cable plug-in over there. I'm not worried about it. I know where it's at. It's right there. Okay, you don't believe me? It's right here. Right there. See, EFI Live. Yeah, see, put it right there. Along with this. See, I know where it's at. For now, anyway. In the next video, I'll be like, I lost my cable. Yeah, happens. But anyway, so I went with them. If you guys don't know anything about Firepunk, just check it out, man. Firepunk kills it. They are killing the diesel game. They are UCC champs 2016, 2017. Definitely going to be contenders for 2018 if they don't win it again in 2018. They got Levon Miller and the guys over at Firepunk, man, they make some awesome stuff. I'd love to get my hands on an anteater. I probably will before it's over with. Depending on how I like it on the first truck I buy it for, I might end up with several anteaters. From what I've heard, they're very cool for tuning your transmission, and with the 47 REs and 48 REs, the stock programming is just not desirable, especially for racing and stuff like that. So definitely on the blue truck, we'll probably end up with something of that nature. So anyway, guys, that's pretty much it. Like I said, I just pretty much wanted to give you guys an update. So hope you guys enjoyed the update video. Again, try to keep this video kind of short. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the update video. There will be more coming. Like I said, we're gonna, definitely have another video coming out by the end of this week. I am gonna try to stick to 2 videos a week as best I can, and try to keep the content coming. I just want to say real quick, I appreciate everybody that subscribed. I know I'm not a big channel, but I do appreciate every single one of you that has subscribed. I appreciate the support, and hopefully we can continue to grow and continue to do great things. So I appreciate all the support. If you guys enjoyed the video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you on the next one. See ya.